How to fix GTA 5 enhanced game error. In order for you to fix this issue, let me move into one of the official article which is going to guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can fix it. So this is one of the article which is going to help you out. The very first step you want to try doing is turn off the RTX. In order to turn it off, click on settings on the game, navigate to graphics, scroll down to ray tracking, and set the status to off. Here you can set other ray tracking features according to your PC configurations. Once done, the next step you want to do is to lower the base reflections. If you're using a relatively low-end graphic card, lowering the base reflections can help you out. And the next thing you want to do is disable the overclocked GPU. Most of the time, disabling the overclocked GPU has fixed the issue. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is update or reinstall your graphic card driver. Updating the graphic card drivers should also fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.